Hey, it's Steph from Bonnie Curtis Projects. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on menstruation flex station. Have a go! This stretch is called the fetal position and we're going to start on the ground, but first I'll show you how to safely get there. So we're going to start with our legs in a triangle position and our feet parallel. Start with our hands just here, and what we're going to do is slowly get up the spine and roll backwards, really feeling each vertebrae hitting the ground until we get to this position here. So the start of the fetal position is as it sounds. Bring the knees up, and then you want to put your hands on your knees. Then from here, we're just going to start doing circles in one direction. You should feel this massaging your lower back. You should also feel this lubricating your hip sockets as well. So we can go this way. Really feeling a nice stretch and just feeling the nice movement in our hips. Make sure we also go the other way as well, just to make sure we're even. Really think about giving your lower spine some love, giving those muscles some nice release of tension and increased blood flow. We can also do this with one leg, so pop one down to the ground, grab a hold of this knee, do some more circles, make sure you go the other way as well. So you can do this for about 30 seconds, whatever feels good. As I said before, always make sure you do both sides so you're even, and this should really feel nice, really easy, really relaxed kind of stretch. This next stretch is called the period pretzel. So we're going to start with our roll down again, all the way to the line supine. So we're going to start with the front leg, just stays where it is, in a triangle. And what you want to do is bring your back leg up, and then cross it over the bottom leg. So the ankle is on top, almost on top of the knee, just a little bit lower. So you should be feeling the stretch in your glute muscles here. If this is all you want to do today, totally fine. If you want to up it a little bit, lift this leg up like this, and what you can do, relax this down, and then put your hands to your legs here, and then clasp onto your fingers like this. What you can also do, if you want a little bit extra stretches in different places, you can move over to the left, you can go to the back, whatever feels good on your body. You can even do little circles if you like. Make sure you hold this for at least 30 seconds and make sure you do the other side as well so you're even. This next stretch is called what you'd rather be doing, and we're going to start in all fours. So hands are directly underneath the shoulders, knees are directly underneath our pelvis. So for this one, we're going to make sure our knees are a little bit wider than what we usually would have them. So what I usually do is line them up with my yoga mat like this, or if you don't have a yoga mat, no worries. One handprint, two handprint, and that's where you need to be. Cool. Great. So this is our starting position, and what we're going to do, slowly rock back, put all your weight into your legs, and then slowly move forward. Try again. So all the way back, and then all the way forward. This is going to massage all your muscles around your hips. You should feel your hip sockets move quite nicely. And you also may feel your abductors or your inner thighs kick in when you're pushing up to here. So do this move about 30 times. You can do it a little bit slower, you can do it a bit faster, whatever you feel like doing on this day. And this is going to feel really nice through your hips and really release some of that tension that you've been holding. This last stretch is called Cramps, and we're going to start lying on the ground. So in our usual triangle position, it's going to roll down all the way to the ground. What we're going to do here is just touch our feet together and then roll our knees out to the side like this. So you're in this diamond position with your legs. Make sure that your feet are touching together like this and that you're nice and relaxed in this position. This position should feel nice. You should feel all the tension just dropping away. You can take quite a few nice deep breaths here. You can stay here. You can watch TV like this. If you'd like, you can increase the stretch and then bring your knees up towards your shoulders And then you can just pop your hands underneath your knees and just relax into it there. You'll be feeling this in your inner thighs and a little bit of tension release in your hips. So feel free to have a wiggle while you're here. You can just stay still, whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good to you. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial video. If you like this video, you can support us on Patreon. Your support helps us make videos like this possible. Check out the link in the video description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with our tutorial videos. We have one coming out each month. To find out more about us, visit our website or follow us on social media. The links are in the video description below. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Steph and I'm a dancer at Bonnie Curtis Projects. We are an independent dance company based in Sydney, Australia. We create innovative, genre-defying and thought-provoking work. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video. Bye!